Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the current price of Bittorrent token. What's the price of BTT? What's the price changes over of Bittorrent token? Let me show you guys. But if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. Guys, at this time, if you talk about the currently price of Bitcoin token, so as you can see here, guys, now at this time, the currently live and latest price of Bitcoin token is about 0.003628 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Bitcoin token. Other side, guys, if you talk about the changes update of Bitcoin token, so my god, it's going crazy, it's going shock news for all of you. But don't worry, guys, you know what, the changes is negative, so that does not mean that they are in the loss, guys. Absolutely. Now in this video, I'm announcing a good news for all of you. As you can see, guys, from price chart, that's clear that now BTT token start positive changes, guys, and I'm sure that for a long time, Bittorrent token will give you this kind of positive changes, guys. The last one day changes of Bittorrent token is negative 1.09%, but don't worry, guys. Now I know that now the changes is negative, but as you can see here, guys, in the latest situation, Bittorrent token start pumping. So that's why, guys, on the basis of this update, I recommend that it's holding time. And I believe, guys, my prediction is that, guys, that every pump, a lot of coin, I found that in the last half month the price becomes positive. So I also recommend for all of you that it's a profit time, it's holding time. If you hold, so you get profit, guys. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your price prediction about Bittorrent token? Share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.